Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and happy December. I hope you guys are excited for a great holiday season ahead and that you've already had a great holiday season so far. Today is a really exciting video because I am bringing you guys a new series announcement, and as you can tell from the title, you guys might already know, this series is going to be called the 2020 Creative Reset. And I'm really excited about this, and hopefully once you learn a little bit more about it, you'll be just as excited as I am to see this new series come to fruition. So when I came up with this idea, I wasn't 100% sure what should be in it and what shouldn't be in it, but essentially the 2020 Creative Reset is evaluating and reflecting on where we've been in 2019, what projects we've worked on, and what projects we failed at or perhaps have tossed to the wayside, and sort of getting back on track with those and setting new goals for 2020 and setting ourselves up for success with new projects, new goals, new ideas, and also setting up our mindsets and our craft spaces for success. So this series will run December through February 2020, so you'll be able to get a lot of great details and tips and tricks along the way. So this series will be every Saturday at 11. I do have some other series that also sometimes happen on Saturdays, so you'll still be able to get a video from this series every Saturday, even if there's an extra video thrown in there. Let's jump into an overview so you guys can understand kind of the topics we'll be talking about through the different months. So starting in December, we'll really be reflecting on 2019 the most because we want to make sure that we know where we started and how we can fix those things that we struggled with or the challenges we faced to have a better 2020 creatively. In January, we're talking all about goals for the new year and how we can plan and execute them successfully. So we'll be talking about how to take a project from an idea to fruition and how to step it out along the way so you guys have goals in place as you go so you can keep on track of these projects that you're really excited about finishing. We'll also be discussing how our strengths and weaknesses can be edited and modified to work in our favor so that our projects become faster and smoother as we go through the year. And then in February is where we really tackle the creative space and how we can set that up for success for ourselves, because sometimes we self-sabotage, which we don't always realize, but it's really good to reflect on that as well and how we can make our processes of scrapbooking or card making or journaling much more easier on ourselves. So I'll be sharing tips and tricks with you guys in a plethora of videos of different ways you can alleviate that and really succeed in 2020 with your creative endeavors. In addition to the videos, I'll be sharing organizational worksheets, creative worksheets, printables, all sorts of stuff. And if you guys have not seen it before, similar to Summer of Stories, when I did that series, I'll be having printables over on my blog. So if you're not subscribed to my email list over on my blog, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can go over there and sign up. So as we get these guides and tools and videos to help reset our crafty mindset for 2020, I hope you guys find that these are helpful and easy, and I'm always taking suggestions. So if there's anything you'd like to see in this series that you've sort of heard me mention, but you want to make sure that I cover it, definitely leave a comment down below so I know what you guys want to see. I always take suggestions because I find that you guys have really great suggestions and that other people struggle with the same processes as well or face the same challenges. If you're interested in getting more content, you can head over to my Patreon. There I'll be doing similar posts but going more in depth with more worksheets and more tools to reset our crafty mindsets for 2020. If you struggle with creativity sometimes, over there I have story starters every month. I have monthly inspiration. I do printables like sketches and worksheets, so definitely check that out if you're interested as well. All of the things will be linked down below: my blog, my Patreon, subscribe to YouTube, everything will be here. I'm really excited to be able to bring you guys so much content, and it wouldn't be without the support of my patrons who are so supportive, and the support here on YouTube is amazing as well. Every comment I love to respond to, every like I love to see, and every subscribe really warms my heart, and I cannot believe we are so close to 4,000 subscribers. That just blows my mind. I hope you guys are excited for this new series just like I am. Again, we'll be covering so many different topics, and they might be a little bit of longer videos, but I know some people really like longer videos. If you don't, sometimes speeding them up can help, although it does change the pitch of my voice. So I do apologize if you do not like that. But speeding up videos is a great way to still get the content without having to watch the whole thing, because our time is precious. But you can always listen to these videos that I do, like podcasts as well, because that might help you along while you're scrapbooking. And I just want to say thank you guys again for so much support here on YouTube, on Patreon, on social media. You guys are all so very sweet, and I appreciate all of your comments, and I love responding to them. And I can't do this without you guys. I'm just so happy that I can provide something that people find useful and helpful through their crafty endeavors. So hopefully this series is just like that, where you guys get something out of it. And don't worry, I know some people were worried when I say new series, but Tuesdays and Thursdays will still be for process videos and other crafty things. So this series is exclusive to Saturday for the most part, but I'm still really excited to share it with you guys. And again, let me know if there's anything you guys want to see throughout December, January, and February. I'm really excited to bring this to you guys and do something a bit different with my channel again, because it's been really fun to do these quarterly series. If you guys have not caught up, Summer of Stories was my first series, and that was in the summer bracket. And then fall, we did the Falling Back to Basics series, which each have a different playlist on my channel that you guys can also check out. And Creative Reset will also have a playlist as well. And we might do this every year. So it's called 2020 Creative Reset, just so we have a label on it. And we'll be talking about all of the fun things that you can imagine. But I'm really, really excited for it, and hopefully you guys are too. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, so you don't miss out on these videos. And turn on the notification bell if you're interested in getting a notification every time I upload, so you don't miss one. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you're excited as much as I am. And I will see you guys in the first 2020 Creative Reset series video very, very soon. Bye!